Get ready to see the rise of the electric power giant, Tesla. In an effort to revolutionize the auto industry, Tesla is risking everything in hopes of producing 20 million vehicles by 2020 and entering the mainstream market. But the company doesn't just concentrate on electric cars. The company is also investing heavily on renewable energy, and a new plant in Shanghai will shortly begin producing megapacks. With regard to Tesla's entry into the energy storage market, things seem to be going well. We'll look at Tesla's lofty goals in this video. After discussing the benefits of Tesla's new Chinese facility and how the company is outperforming its rivals, let's take a closer look at this exciting future for Tesla. First things first, please subscribe to our channel right away if you haven't already. Remember to give this video a massive thumbs up when it's over. Tesla has ambitious aims to create 20 million cars by 2020. That would place them as the top automaker and give them an astounding 24% market share. They have presented a strategy for accomplishing this difficult goal, which calls for a 50% cost cut. They will be able to capture 50% of the market and break into the mainstream market thanks to this. In order to save costs and expand into new markets, they plan to accomplish this by lowering general assembly and powertrain batteries. They want to open a new location in Nuevo Leon, Mexico. This location offers several benefits in addition to being in Mexico, including as easy access to a highly skilled labor pool, reduced labor costs, and near proximity to important trade routes. Tesla is also qualified for the 75,000 IRA credit. For American customers who buy electric cars, there is a tax credit available that can help cover the cost of buying a Tesla because the car is made in Mexico. Tesla is able to pass on the savings to its customers while maintaining its credit worthiness. Another benefit of conducting business in Mexico is the country's numerous tariff agreements with Latin American countries as a result of its shipment of cars from its recently constructed facility there. Tesla will be able to offer its products to customers in Brazil and other Latin American countries at a lower cost by utilizing these arrangements. All things considered, it appears that Tesla made the right choice in opening a new plant in Mexico. By leveraging economies of scale and expanding into untapped markets, they are setting themselves up for future expansion and prosperity. As a result, a lot of investors are feeling positive about the company's future and assured of its performance. During its most recent Investor Day, Tesla demonstrated a new caliber of leadership. The Cybertruck is arriving this year after receiving 1.3 million orders. It will be worth about 40 cents per share if they can introduce it this year and manufacture 200,000 units the next year. Given that talent is more than just Elon Musk's company, this was quite comforting. Although Tesla is best known for producing high-end electric vehicles, EVs, the company also produces solar panels and batteries with the capacity to store renewable energy, which is essential for the transition to clean energy. Tesla has put new regulations into place and invested $5 billion in a new gigafactory in Mexico in order to preserve its low-cost EV production. Another development engine is their energy division, which produces and stores energy valued at $801 million. Some analysts are quite bullish about Tesla's energy business, seeing it as an undervalued potential game-changer. Gary Black, a Tesla investor, predicts that by 2023, Tesla Energy will have sold over $20 billion and made a healthy $8 billion in gross profit. Tesla has a bright future ahead of it, and investors shouldn't miss this opportunity. Kanakoji Annuity praised Tesla as a sustainability the corporation is able to withstand any potential recession thanks to its strong balance sheet. According to Annuity, Behemoth cited their electric cars, solar and energy storage technologies, and their dominant positions in both markets. The company had a promising future. Tesla is focusing more and more on renewable energy in general, offering a wide range of solar and energy storage devices for clean energy applications. They recently disclosed that they will establish a factory in Shanghai to produce their megapack batteries, joining the Chinese market at a time when tense U.S.-China relations. The new facility's construction is expected to start in the third quarter of this year, and production is expected to start in the second quarter of 2024. The plant will produce 10,000 units a year to be distributed worldwide. China is the second biggest market for Tesla, accounting for about 25% of its total revenue in 2022. The Shanghai Auto Factory, which serves China's local auto market in addition to exporting automobiles to Europe, accounts for around half of the company's worldwide automobile deliveries. Tesla's performance in China has been a key element of the company's global expansion plan. With a population of more than 1.4 billion, China is the largest automotive market in the world, and as such, it presents a significant opportunity for Tesla. When Tesla began production at its own gigafactory in Shanghai towards the end of 2019, it became the first foreign manufacturer to operate a fully owned plant in China. Since then, China's substantial EV demand as well as the country's efforts to reduce carbon emissions have benefited the firm. The Shanghai plant of Tesla has been a significant contributor to its success in China. This plant produces the Model 3 and Model Y, the company's best-known vehicles. By building these vehicles locally, Tesla has been able to avoid China's high import duties on automobiles manufactured elsewhere. By lowering the price of its vehicles for Chinese buyers, Tesla has not only satisfied local demand but also grown its market share in China's EV industry, which is already the largest in the world. One of Tesla's Shanghai factory's other responsibilities is exporting cars to foreign markets. In 2020, the manufacturer sent over 30,000 Model 3s to Europe, increasing the total amount of sales for the company. As a result, Tesla may now take advantage of China's wide network of trade agreements with other countries and its low labor costs. Overall, Tesla's success in China has been a major factor in the company's progress, and the country is predicted to remain a crucial market for the company in the years to come. New wind and solar farms must have enough batteries to store a portion of the electricity they produce, according to regulations in some regions. China's increasing need for grid storage batteries as a result of waves of blackouts in 2021 is opening up new opportunities for Tesla's energy storage solutions. If you haven't seen the possible implications of this for Tesla, you should definitely keep an eye on things in the next months. Go ahead and hit the like button as the company's prospects for growth into the renewable energy and battery storage sectors seem promising. Subscribe and turn on alerts to stay up to date on what Tesla is doing. Coming back to the topic at hand, the need for energy storage has skyrocketed worldwide as a result of the installation of power storage systems. China is the leader in both the production of rechargeable batteries and the chemical reactions needed to create their constituent parts. At Tesla's new Shanghai plant, Megapacks, which can store enough energy to power 3,600 homes for an hour, will be manufactured. Because it is reasonably priced and appropriate for utility-level power storage, this type of battery is the ideal choice for storing solar and wind energy for later use. Tesla's commercial revenue is quite small, with energy generation and storage accounting for about 5% of company total revenue. But having the ability to store electricity for usage during periods when it's not needed becomes crucial as utilities transition to renewable energy. In 2016, Elon Musk revealed the second part of Tesla's master plan. During this phase, solar roofing with battery storage, electric vehicle product expansion, and the development of 10 times safer autonomous driving capabilities were all undertaken. Tesla made the decision to establish its new manufacturing facility in Shanghai for several reasons. China's dominant battery supply chain makes it an excellent location to boost output and reduce costs. In addition, the growing political tensions between the two countries have made many American businesspeople wary of investing in China. Thanks to its new factory that will take use of China's battery supply chain, Tesla will be able to meet the expanding global demand for energy storage even in the face of tough competition from domestic enterprises like Warren Buffett's. Listed by NIO and DXPeng due to the development of a new Megapack facility in Shanghai and increased output at their old site, Tesla has offered incentives to customers in addition to lowering the price of their vehicles. Tesla aims to keep up its competitive advantage and meet the world's energy storage needs. Elon Musk recently announced on Twitter that the projected Tesla factory in Shanghai will lead to an increase in production at the Tesla Megapack plant in California. Businesses have been under pressure from the Biden administration and the Chinese government to invest in cutting-edge technologies. President Biden signed the Inflation Reduction Act into law, providing incentives for the U.S. to produce rechargeable batteries in order to meet the growing demand for electric vehicles. To meet Tesla's aggressive target of selling 20 million cars a year by the end of the decade, the supply of batteries will need to increase significantly, however, in order to create truly affordable electric cars. Cost constraints must be implemented throughout the supply chain, especially for batteries. If Musk can bring down the cost of batteries, Benchmark Mineral Intelligence CEO Simon Moss believes Tesla has a clear path to development. Rivals, however, are eager to capture market share should Tesla be unable to reduce battery costs. What are your thoughts on this development? Kindly offer your feedback in the comment section below. Remember to provide your Tesla valuation. To keep up with Tesla's latest endeavors, view the video that follows when it loads.